Intro to Statistics series. This is the 4th video in the series, and in this video we're going over standard deviation. Standard deviation calculates the distance between numbers in a data set, and we'll have it represented by SD in this video. So rather than going through the super symbol heavy way of finding standard deviation, I like this 5-step method to find standard deviation. So the 5-step method: first, find the mean. Second, each number in the set minus the mean. Third, square each of these results. Fourth, you're going to add up each of these squared numbers. And then 5, the standard deviation is going to equal the sum of the squares divided by the numbers in the set. So again, and then you're going to square root that. So that's the 5 steps of standard deviation. 1, find the mean. 2, find each number in the set subtracted by the mean. Third, square each of those results. 4, add up each of those squared numbers. And then 5, once you have that, plug them into that formula, the square root of the sum of the squares divided by the numbers in the set. So let's see this in action with the small data set first. So first step, let's find the mean. So the mean, we're going to add up all those numbers and then divide it by the numbers in the set, which is 7. So 35 divided by 7, so our mean is 5. Second, we're going to take each number in the set subtracted by the mean. So that's going to be 2 minus 5, 4 minus 5, 4 minus 5, 5 minus 5, 6 minus 5, 7 minus 5, 8 minus 5. And there's the results of that. And now, third step, you're going to square each of those. Okay, so let's square all of those. And that's going to give us these numbers right here. Now we're on to the fourth set. Add all those up. And that's going to give us 26. So now we're going to plug into that formula, sum of the squares divided by the numbers in the set, and take the square root of that. So sum of the squares is 26, and there's 7 numbers in the set. So 26 divided by 7 is 3.7. And so the standard deviation is the square root of 3.7. So the standard deviation is 1.92. So that means the distance, the variance, is 1.92 for this data set. Let's try it with a bigger data set. And again, if you want to create this chart here, follow this chart that goes through steps 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 with the sum of them down there. So 7 numbers in the set. So mean we find up here and divide that by the numbers in the set. So that's going to give us 564 divided by 7, which is going to give us a mean of 78. Now in that first column, we're going to go every number in the set subtracted by the mean. And in this second column here, we're just going to put that answer and square it. So we're going to square that, and then that's going to give us this third column, which we will then add up right here at the bottom. And now we can just plug it into that formula, the sum divided by the numbers, and square root that. So that's going to be 14.2 when you go 1420 divided by 7 and square root it. So the variance in this set is 14.2. So in the next video, we're going to go over the bell curve.